Good afternoon, sir. Uh, we have our respected principal, sir, also joining with us. Sir, shall I start?
Yeah, start.
A very good afternoon to all of you. Respected Principal, Women Engineering College, Ajmer, Dr. J.K. Vigwan, sir. Dear participants and my fellow colleagues, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you on this valedictory ceremony of 5 days online AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsored faculty development program on Internet of Things applications in medical sciences. All good things must come to an end, and here we are on the verge of completion of these 5 days of AICT Training and Learning Academy sponsored faculty development program. These 5 days was graced by many eminent speakers from all over India who added more to our knowledge of IoT and its applications in medical sciences. Now I will now I request respected Principal Sir Women Engineering College Ajmer to kindly say a few words.
Thank you, Mita. First of all, I give my sincere thanks to our Honorable Vice Chancellor BTU. He honored us being his presence in the inaugural session and all the eminent speakers who give their expert talk in the different sessions. Further, I congratulate the coordinator of this event, this FDP, Mr. Pankaj Sharma ji, Madam Meeta Sharma, and the other faculty members who give their efforts. By that, we organize this successful event in the IoT and its application in biomedicals. I also thanks to all the participants, in-house and the external participants, the different colleges of the country who have joined this event. And I am also sure that all of you learn the new things, the research area by this Atal FDP in the field of the IoT and biomedicals. Of course, the today's last session was the purely on the biomedicals. I'm sure that you have enjoyed all the sessions and that will be helpful to teach the students in this area. I invite all of you anytime comes at Ajmer and visit the GWC Ajmer, its research facility, its laboratory, interact with the faculty members. Somewhere the time permits, please come and visit the GWC Ajmer. So, thank you. Thank you very much to join this program. Thanks, Mita, for inviting me in this last session of your FDP. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Thanks for guiding us and being a constant support throughout in our FDP. Thank you so much, sir. Now there will be a virtual photo session, so I request all the participants to switch on their camera for a virtual photo session. I again request all the participants to kindly switch on their cameras.
All are requested to please switch on their cameras for the photographs of the event. I think
Pankaj
nobody
sir,
is
let me know.
interested to click the photograph.
Pankaj sir, let us know whether you have clicked or not.
Yes, sir.
हेमंत अपना कैमरा ऑन कर लो.
सर मेरे ये अपडेट मांग रहा है सर, इसमें हो ही नहीं रहा हूँ.
ओके. हो गया.
वॉइस से आ जाऊंगा सर मैं. Pankaj sir, principal sir is asking whether you have taken a screenshot or not.
Yes, ma'am. Go ahead for yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you. Please continue.
There's always a scope of improvement and feedback plays an important role in it. Therefore, I will ask some of the participants for their valuable feedback. Thank you everyone for just switching on your cameras. Now I will just ask some of the participants for their valuable feedback. If anyone is interested to say something.
Good afternoon, good afternoon, one and all.
Good afternoon, sir.
I is Tish Marwa, lecturer electronics and communication engineering, working in a government polytechnic Kullu in Himachal Pradesh. First of all, I would like to thank my dear friend and coordinator, engineer Hemant Kumar Vijayvargya, for giving me an opportunity to be a part of this beautiful 5-day course on Internet of Things. Apart from that, I would like to thank all the other coordinators for arranging such a beautiful course. The content of course were excellent and all the experts have beautifully explained their topics. We are lucky to have such a eminent and experts. For that, I would like to thanks once again for the coordinator for arranging such a vast experienced experts. I would like to thank all the coordinator of Government Women Engineering College Ajmer and all the experts who had spared their valuable time. And I hope such a courses will be organized more in the near future and we will be the part of such a course. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Anybody else?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Richa. Good morning.
Ma'am, it's Shubhi Jain.
Hey, Shubhi Jain,
Hello.
yes. Good afternoon, Shubhi. Yeah.
Ma'am, good afternoon. Ma'am, excellent workshop and well organized and expect many such events. And I would like to thank all the organizers for making this happen. And I request to share the materials in presentation of video form also. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shubhi. It will be shared with you. Definitely, it will be shared with you. Coming to you, Richa.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes,
Coming
yes,
to you,
ma'am.
Richa.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
Yes, Richa. You are sharing your feedback with
ma'am.
us.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Hello.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Richa. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yes. Good afternoon to one and all present here. I, Richa Kumari, a PhD scholar in Computer Science Department from MNIT Jaipur. This PhD on IoT application in medical science has provided in-depth knowledge of this field. An absolutely wonderful workshop. I learned a lot about how IoT come to be benefited in healthcare field and helps us to generate an efficient EHR. This FDP enlightening us that IoT will be more powerful along with the fuzzy logic and neural network. So I am very grateful to be a part of this workshop. As a participant, I gained a lot for the future perspective in this area. I would like to give special thanks to the program coordinator, Sir Pankaj Kumar Sharma, and organizing team for working so hard for the past few days to make this FDP successful. Thank you once again for making this great success. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Richa. Thank you so much. It means a lot. Yeah, we
Thank
have Shalini ma'am, Shalini Parikh ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You would like to say something? Yes, ma'am.
very good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon.
Myself Shalini Parikh, Assistant Professor, Sangam University, Bhilwara. Ma'am, I have attended all the sessions of the FDP program, and every session was very effective and very informative to enhance our research area. And I would like to thank our coordinator, sir, Mr. Pankaj Sharma, sir, and organizing team. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I really enjoyed the session of Art of Living. It was very nice session, and every speaker was explained every each and point in detail, and it will be very useful to us for our research area. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Anybody else?
Ma'am, I would like
Yes,
to say
fine, ma'am.
something.
Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, one and all. Thank you so much, ma'am, for providing us an opportunity to be part of it. All the sessions in the FDP were very knowledgeable and informative. I will also like to appreciate the efforts of coordinator, co-coordinators, and organizing committee for their commendable work. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Anybody else? Yes, Vijay sir.
Hello. Thank you, ma'am. Hello, everyone. This is Vijay Sharma from the same college, that is Government Women Engineering College, Ajmer. I am thankful for the organizer for giving me this opportunity to give my feedback for this 5-day Atal FDP on this IoT. I would like to bring in to the notice of all the attendees that generally we have to say IoT application to medical science. It is also termed as IMOT. That is not only it is termed as Internet of Things. Somewhat in the literature, you will also found that it is Internet of Medical Things. That should be noted. And in terms of feedback, as my colleagues, those who attended this program, has already told that the lectures are very good. They are very informative also. We have discussed and learned a lot about IoT applications in medical science, like remote patient monitoring, glucose monitoring, and but the issues, those are what I feel is not focused at a length somewhere, because if I am using an IoT device for glucose monitoring for whole 24/7 for a patient, so what about the battery limits? What about the charging capacity of the battery which we will use in the IoT device? That should also be focused on this. I just read it here in a magazine, that is a report which is published in the Health Tech magazine. What it says that the global IoT market, it was 44.5 billion in 2018, and it is supposed to be reaches or grows by 254.2 billion in 26. So there is a huge scope. There is a vast amount involved in these IoT devices. So what is the important thing that has to be focused in the next or upcoming issues of the same FDP is that the organizer should look after about the advances codes on the security that is involved with the IoT device. In all, it is a very good and informative FDP. So far, I have attended in the recent times. Thanks to principal and the college organization, as well as my faculty colleague, for allowing me for this feedback, as well as allowing me for attending this FDP. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice time. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir. Your suggestions are noted. Anybody else who would like to share their views about the FDP? Okay, I think there's no one else. Thank you so much, everyone, for your encouraging words. It was indeed a great pleasure to get associated with you all. Now, I would like to invite co-coordinator of this 5 days online faculty development program, Mr. Hemant Vijayvargiya, sir, for vote of thanks. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. I take this opportunity to extend my sincere gratitude to Atal Academy New Delhi for providing us opportunity to host this FDP. Thank you very much, Dr. Ravindra Soni sir, Dr. Mamta Rani Agarwal ma'am. I express my heartfelt thanks on behalf of college and organizing committee to Honorable Vice Chancellor Professor A.S. Vidyarthi sir and Honorable Chairman Professor N.C. Siprakash sir for all their guidance, motivation and support for the FDP. Special thanks to Dr. J.K. Digwal sir, Principal Women Engineering College Ajmer for his constant support. Without him, it would not be possible to organize this event with such an efficiency. On behalf of coordinator, I extend my thanks to HOD Computer Science Department for being helpful in timely completing the paper formalities. Much importantly, very special thanks to all the expert speakers for sharing their knowledge and imbibing flavor of recent technologies and research work in the field of application of IoT in medical science. Special gratitude towards all the participants who made this event a success. I hope you all have enjoyed the sessions. On behalf of coordinator, thanks to media, support staff, members of organizing committee, faculty and friends for keeping the morale high and making the event a grand success. Last but not the least, thanks to all those, including our students, who have contributed directly or indirectly in this FDP. Once again, thank you for all. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Now, there are some announcements to make. Your online exam is scheduled at 3 p.m. Exam link will be shared in comment box as well as in WhatsApp group, and you will get 1 hour to submit your exam back. Other than that, you have to obtain the certificate. You will need to fill the feedback on Atal portal and also mark your attendance in the Google form shared to you regularly. So you have to fulfill all these 3 criteria. You need to fulfill all these requirements to obtain your final certificate for the Atal FDP. In case you doesn't fulfill these criteria, you will not be able to download your certificate from Atal portal. So kindly just fulfill all these things and let us know. Thank you so much, everyone. So the exam link will be shared to you in the comment box itself. So just keep waiting for the link, and in WhatsApp group also it will be shared. Over to you, sir. Pankaj sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is Shamsundar Agarwal.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I also want to tell all the participants that in download few days, because there are few formalities we need to complete on Atal portal as a coordinator. We need to upload all your attendance. I hope I'm audible to all of you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So actually we need a few working days to upload the attendance, compile all the attendance, and then we'll upload the attendance. After that, we'll be uploading your marks, whatever you obtain in the online examination to be held at 3 o'clock today. So these two things are on our end. Uploading the attendance of 200 participants may take a few days, and this one, the marks. After that, all the participants are required to fill up the feedback form of Atal portal. So that feedback form is not related directly to us. It is on the Atal portal. You need to log in and fill up the feedback. Unless you fill up the feedback, you won't be able to download the certificate. I also want to tell you that even Atal portal people, they also need 24 to 48 hours to generate the final certificate for you. So once we are done with our job, you are done with your job, Atal portal will take approximately 24 to 48 hours to download the certificate. So after doing all the formalities, if you face any problem in downloading the certificate, you can contact us. WhatsApp group will be there unless you all don't download the certificates. So that's what I want to tell you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
So we will share the link at 3 o'clock for the quiz. In this message box also and on the WhatsApp group also. So remain connected here and keep looking the WhatsApp group and message box here for the quiz link. So link of the online quiz is available now in the message box as well as on the WhatsApp group. So we all have 1 hour to complete it. 1 hour to complete it. And I hope all of you are aware that 60% marks are compulsory to obtain the certificate. So please attempt the quiz carefully. Thank you.